Hello, my name is Bonnie Lau, and I'm a Senior Program Manager on the Windows User Experience team. Today I'm going to talk about the 8 traits of a Windows Store app. The first trait is the Microsoft design style. The key to the Microsoft design language is the concept of content before Chrome. Whether you're designing a shopping, a food and dining, a media, a social, or any categories of app, content is at the heart of that experience. As app designers, by leaving the most relevant elements on screen, we help people be immersed in the things they love, your content. This is a typical newsreader app. Let's take a look at how we can remove the Chrome and let the content shine. First, start by removing the lines, boxes, and some of the effects, such as gradient, which detract from the content. Make use of typography to create a clear information hierarchy in your content. Using a small, consistent set of font sizes organizes the content and creates a relationship and order. Instead of cluttering the app's canvas with controls, we can leverage the edge. Commands can be placed in the app bar, which can be reviewed on demand by swiping from the bottom or the top edge of the screen. By making use of the app bar, not only do we clear up the interface to give focus on the content, people can confidently use the app because they can consistently find commands under one roof. The second trait is be fast and fluid. Motion is the core part of the Microsoft design language. Animation is more than just visual adornment. It provides information by illustrating what is happening and reinforcing concepts. Many animations are built into the standard platform controls, but additionally, there's an animation library that provides animations tailored for common app scenarios. Because these animations are used throughout the system, they help users know what behaviors to expect and reinforce concepts in the interface. Windows Store apps are designed to be touch first. Follow the Windows 8 touch language, which is a set of simple, direct gestures. These interactions are provided to you in standard platform controls to help you create an experience that feels fast and fluid, without needing to learn about special modes or memorizing gestures. Use those and you're set. Snap and scale beautifully. With Windows 8, your app has the opportunity to be used on hundreds of millions of PC with a variety of form factors and screen sizes. Start with a minimum screen resolution of 1024 by 768. Consider what your app would look like on a larger screen and take advantage of the additional screen real estate to show your users more content. It's easy on Windows 8 to multitask by snapping, and a great snap state invites users to keep your app on screen longer. Design a useful and compelling snap state that maintains users' context. Contracts are the glue that binds the apps together. The share contract lets any app share data with any other app. A source app is the one which provides something to share. A target app is an app being shared to. Every app should be a shared source. For example, a photo app can share an image, a news app can share an article, a game can share a high score. Apps that let people publish, store, or edit content are good candidates to being a shared target. For example, social, chat, note-taking, bookmarking, cloud services, image editors should be shared targets to help users more easily pass on content. The search contract lets people search your app from anywhere in Windows. Use this instead of your own search UI. The result will display in your app so that you can control your experience. Invest in a great tile. Tiles are the front door to your experience. Treat them as an extension to your app, and invest in designing them to highlight your content and your brand personality. Feel connected and alive. Use live tiles to draw people into your app with dynamic, relevant, and personalized content. Fresh content helps people connect with your app and give them reasons to place your tile in a prominent position on start and to launch your app time and again. For information that is time sensitive and must be interruptive, you can use notifications to help people quickly navigate back to the relevant context in your app. Roam to the cloud. Leverage the roaming ability provided through the platform to create a continuous and fluid experience. Every app gets per user cloud storage for settings, state, and a small amount of user content that they can roam with a Microsoft account. Embrace the Microsoft design principles. Do more with less. Show content before Chrome to let people focus on what matters. Pride in craftsmanship. Details in visual styling, layout, and typography matters. Be fast and fluid. Design for touch with motion and ergonomics in mind. Authentically digital. Be connected and alive with live tiles and notifications and roam to the cloud. Win as one. Use contracts to work together with other apps to complete scenarios. These principles form a framework when you are making decisions around the flow and interactions of your app. To learn more about each of the above topics, see the additional reference links here. Thank you.